on our topic, content creation strategy. And I'd just like to do a quick recap of the main key points that are driving this topic. One of them is the average. So we want to get out of the average mentality. We want to get out of the average way of doing things so we can thrive for excellence. And we also want to thrive for premium clients and not just average clients. Premium clients pay us more money. Now, we also want to have a competitive advantage, and that is through our storytelling, our unique selling proposition, and the overall transformation that we provide to our customers through our products and services. And so competitive advantage differentiates you from the rest of your peers and other businesses within the same marketplace. Another key point that is really important, and I always try to go by this, is your copywriting game. So this, in fact, drives how much you can charge in your industry. And because it also helps you with your brand authority. And I keep reminding you of building your personal brand, because when you have a brand and you put it in your content messaging, then that really elevates your marketing strategy. And another key point that I want you to remember and keep this in mind is that I love this quote. It's be so good they can't ignore you. And I will repeat that again. Be so good they can't ignore you. And that actually applies to pretty much every aspect of your life. But when it comes to content creation strategy, the focus on being so good they can't ignore you, that relates to your audience. The copywriting game, the frameworks that we use to present our messaging, our products and services. And so that really, in fact, dictates how much you can charge. In this case, we want premium clients, so we have to deliver really good content and our messaging in the marketplace. So keep that in mind, being so good they can't ignore you. I have another example. This is also in the real estate industry, but we're taking a different angle. And remember, I talked about different angles. So now, the first example is about why you need a real estate agent. Now, this angle, we're still focusing on you being the expert, why they still need a real estate agent. Now we're changing our messaging to the home buying process. But who helps them with the home buying process is the real estate agent. So this is pretty much a continuation of this first post. Then you can continue the conversation. See how you're still nurturing your leads, even your own clients, with more information, because you want to be relevant. You want to keep them top of mind with you being the expert in the real estate industry. So how to navigate the home buying process? The best way to manage the home buying process is preparation. Unlike renting, owning a home doesn't result in monthly payments that don't build equity, and that way, buying a house can increase your wealth over time. Although much more common due to the convenience of renting, the dream of home ownership can happen anytime you're ready to invest in your future. Be proactive, not reactive. Practice proper planning before and after your home buying journey. So you're focusing on the experience, the process they're gonna go through buying their home. You're telling them the difference between renting and owning a home. So research, stay informed, use a good quality real estate agent, consider your lifestyle, and let your dreams take flight. That's another thing I also want you to consider, focusing on lifestyle, because you as a real estate agent wanting to find premium clients through your social media posts, you want to have a certain type of lifestyle, because a premium client will pay you top dollar for your products and services versus someone who's just not really sure what they want. I focus on what sort of lifestyle do I want to have, because that's the type of client that I want to reach out to, that come to me, because at the end of the day, it really boils down to lifestyle, the lifestyle that we want to have, not just for our clients, but for ourselves. And now we want to insert our services, your recommendations, or what you provide, and a call to action. We're changing that dynamic because it's the home buying process. Maybe you want to provide a free download to a guide. So be good to your investment. You'll enjoy it for the rest of your life. Insert your hashtags. Now think about this. Let's really focus on the home buying process. You are the expert. You're positioning as the top real estate agent within your industry. You want to attract a premium client that's ready to buy. And when someone's ready to buy, you're going to accelerate the results. You're going to maximize the time. So imagine you're writing this type of social media post and you're doing your call to action for a free download, and then you present this. So remember, be so good they can't ignore you. When I'm that person who is looking for a real estate agent and I'm in the home buying process and you are giving me this to learn about you as a real estate agent and your services, I'm gonna be intrigued. I'm gonna want to know more about you and pay you for a consultation even if I have to. When you're showing yourself to the marketplace like this, you're definitely not average. You have a competitive advantage, and also you are being good that people can't ignore you, and you dictate how much you can charge in the marketplace. Well, I want to leave you with that.